You about got all that licked off of there, bud? You're a fast licker. Get in there, Gwen. Get it all. Did you get it? There's still some left in that bowl? Yeah?
I totally get it.
There's a big glob in there. Right there on the side. Do you see it? Oh, you gotta get some of that. Good work. You're both crazy.
I'm not crazy.
What's your favorite part about making brownies, Aaron?
It's mixing.
Mixing them? It's not licking the spoon afterwards? That's not your favorite?
Nope.
Nope. You like mixing it, huh? Alright, let's get you clean.